long does it take to recover from tattoo excision? So tattoo excision is like excising any sort of anything, any lesion or mole, or it's just excising a piece of skin. And so it really depends on how big a piece of skin you're excising. So if you have a tattoo, really small tattoo, just like you have a really small mole, that's going to heal up quite quickly, and after a week you're going to be pretty good, although the scar will be red for a few months. But sometimes we do some quite big tattoos, which are quite tight. So if you've got a big tattoo, I mean, by definition, you're going to be excising a piece of skin, because that's how we do tattoo removal, by excising it. And so it will be quite potentially quite tight. And so if it is quite tight, particularly if it's in a tight area around a joint, around somewhere that's moving, then you have got to be a bit more careful. And we will advise you about this when you have it done. But if it is on an area that's under tension, we will advise you to avoid putting excessive tension. I mean, moving's good, but not putting excessive tension. Lifting, sports, things like that. We're probably 4 to 6 weeks to get the strength in it. So if it is, the recovery, you'll be sort of back to work as long as you've got an office job. But if you're sort of manually handling people, if you're, moving people around or lifting heavy items, then it'll probably be a month before you're lifting anything too heavy. And then we'd be gradually doing it as if you're going to be putting tension on the wound. We don't really want tension on the wound. But the scar will probably be a bit red and active for a few months, and it might take 6 to 12 months for it to really properly settle.